How to download and install Castle app. So if you want to download and install Castle app, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply make sure that you have a stable internet connection, and you can open up your Play Store or your App Store, and after that go with search, and under search you need to search for Castle. Once you search for Castle, now here you may have your Castle application. You can just tap on it and then you can install. But if you don't find the Castle application that you're been searching, then you need to go with your Google or your browser. Here you can simply search for Castle app. Now here, if this is the app that you're trying to install, then you just need to simply go with the first option, which is castleapps.org. Tap on the first one, scroll down, and here you will have download now option. So you just need to simply tap on download now. Once you tap on download, then you'll be able to download and install the application, and you can enjoy endless movies, TV shows, music, and HD live sports streaming for free. So that's how you can download, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.